Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn trading lower while beans and wheat finished the day higher. Beans much higher yesterday. Word that they got their start with a large around 10,000 lot buy stop filled on the screen yesterday. That sent them higher, and they were probably due for a little bit of a bounce as well. But July beans much higher yesterday on the day. All higher so far this morning as well. We got crop progress out yesterday, so without further ado, let's grab the whiteboard here and we will take a look at that. All right, so first thing we're going to go over here is planting progress. Corn came in at 73%. That's a 14% increase from last week. A little bit below the 5-year average now. We were right on it after last week, but we dropped a little bit below it up this week. Same with beans. Came in at 33% versus that's a gain of 13% from last week. And then spring wheat planting came in at 49%, and that's a gain of 15% from last week. As far as emerged goes, corn came in at 34% emerged. It's a gain of 16% from last week. Beans came in at 9% emerged. That's the first emergence data we've got on the bean market. The 5-year average is 11% though, so not too far at all off from the 5-year average on that. And then spring wheat came in at 24% emerged versus that's a gain of 12% from last week. Good to excellent ratings for winter wheat, dropped 1%. Came in at 29%, so they continue to decline in ratings. And then winter wheat headed came in at 57%. That's a 13% increase or change from last week. So that's the crop progress data we've got. We were initially thinking that we were going to get some corn good to excellence rating starting next week. We're actually not going to get that. We were thinking we were going to get it next Tuesday. We're not going to get that until the beginning of June. So it'll be a couple weeks till we have some corn good to excellent ratings. As far as the outlook right now, soybeans July should run into some pretty heavy resistance around the $15 level. If we can get above that and close above that, could signal a new round of buying and some definite more fund interest, because that's a big technical level. A lot of traders look to initiate positions based on technical levels, so that could definitely support the market no matter what the fundamentals say, if they change or not. If we do close above that $15 level, that could spur some technical and fund buyings. So keep your eye on that $15 level for July soybeans. If we do close above that, could see some more buying interest come into the market. As far as planting outlook goes, the majority of the Midwest should have some pretty good weather to get a lot of their crops done, planting done this week. Weather outlook is good, especially across the middle Midwest. Upper Midwest, especially North Dakota and Minnesota, is a little iffy. They're the ones that are really lagging behind in planting progress, so we'll have to see how that pans out. They've got their prevent plant dates coming pretty quick for the corn market here, so it'll be interesting to see how they progress, and we'll definitely keep you updated here on the Wilkins Ag Wire. So that's all we've got for today. If you've got any questions, let us know. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.